afternoon, ma'am. This is Hendrik Samson from Camellia International. So now we are at SM South Mall in Alabang, in Las Piñas. Alabang Zapote Road. So we'll just make a U-turn here. Tapos from here, we will be going to Camellia Carson in Danghari. Traffic ng konti, hindi lang po ako maka-U-turn. So sa SM South Mall is along Alabang Zapote Road. So, pag bumalik po tayo sa may Alabang area, we will be making a right at Danghari. Ang Danghari po ay yun po yung nandun sa may lagpas ng Toyota, dun po mismo sa corner ng Honda Alabang. So, that is Danghari. So, now we have made the U-turn. This is Alabang Zapote Road. And patalingin ko lang po sandali. I will pause this and I'll be turning it on again when we get to Honda Alabang branch to turn right at Danghari. Thank you. We are resuming this video. We are approaching Alabang. We are along Alabang Zapote Road. So kakanan po tayo sa Honda Alabang branch to get to Danghari. So Alabang is straight ahead. Pero kakanan na po tayo. So we are here, very near the intersection. The corner na kung saan kakananan natin papuntang Danghari. Right turn na po tayo dito sa Danghari. As you can see the signage, Danghari. Familiar po ba sila sa Danghari? Actually, Danghari po ngayon ay napakainit because of all the development in the area and also because of MCX. MCX is parang connection po siya from SLEX. Bago po mag San Pedro, meron pong bagong daan, yung MCX galing sa SLEX papunta sa Danghari. So with that, nakakat po talaga ang travel time by 30 minutes. Kasi kung galing po kayo ng South Luzon Expressway, papasok kayo ng Alabang, papunta sa Danghari, that would cost you about 30 minutes. But because of MCX, it is a 4-kilometer road na shortcut po talaga papuntang Danghari from SLEX. So in effect, pag galing kay Makati, you cut your travel time by 30 minutes. So yan, we're now entering Danghari. To our left is Corporate Center, Alabang Corporate Center, and also Ayala Alabang is to our left. Yan po. Yan yung papuntang Alabang Town Center. Kasi ito po ang papuntang Danghari. As you can see, ang Danghari po ay malapad. So maganda po siya. And that's why their Vistaland has the biggest and the best master plan which starts in Danghari, which is Vista City. Vista City is roughly about 1,600 hectares of consolidated properties under the Vistaland brand. Nandun po lahat ng mga brands natin. There's Camellia, of course, Carson is there. Brittany Corporation, yung Portofino po at saka Amore, nandun din. Crown Asia has Ponticelli. Also, the most beautiful and the best mall that Vistaland had constructed is also in Danghari, yung pong Evia Lifestyle Center. Mamaya po makikita nyo siya. So, nandito na po tayo ngayon sa Danghari. Anyway, to tell you more about Vistaland, Vista City. Vista City is roughly mga 1,600 hectares. It stretches all the way, it straddles on 4 Cavite towns. Namely, it starts in Muntinlupa, and then Bacoor, and then Dasmariñas, Cavite, and part of Imus as well. So it stretches all the way to Dasmariñas, Cavite. Yan, nandito pa rin po tayo sa Danghari. Patayin ko lang po, ipopost ko lang po sandali. On ko po siya pag malapit na po tayong Evilla, which should be in less than 3 minutes. Thank you. Now, resuming the video, dito pa rin po tayo sa Danghari. We are approaching the start or where Vista City begins. Dito po nagsa-start ang Vista City sa Portofino. Portofino is also a Vista Land property. Dito po siya located sa Danghari. So we're approaching that area. So if I may reiterate, Vista City is the biggest and the best master plan of Vista Land, and Camellia Carson is inside Vista City. Camellia Carson is only about 3 kilometers, less than 3 kilometers away from Evilla. Ito po yung ating Evilla Lifestyle Center, is yung commercial development natin ng Vista Land dito sa Danghari. So as you can see, the roads are wide. Danghari Road is really wide. Dito po sa kaliwa, makikita nyo is yung Ayala Alabang. So nandyan po yung Ayala Alabang sa gilid sa kaliwa. Pero yung pinaka-entry point niyan is in Alabang area. Property appreciation po dito sa area ay sobrang ganda. Practically because nung binuksan po yung MCX, naging accessible talaga ang Danghari sa South Luzon Expressway. So talagang bumibilis ang biyahe. Mamaya po ipapakita ko sa inyo kung saan naging end ang MCX sa Danghari. So ito na po ang start ng Vista City. So, andito na po tayo sa Carson. So, bigyan ko lang po kayo na 360 degrees. So, na look what's happening at the site. So, construction is in full swing. Ito po is actually Block 10, Lot 11. So, we have started actually in full swing na po construction, pati po doon. We are building houses already simultaneously with the roads. Ayan, nandito na po tayo sa Evilla. Nakat lang po kanina. Siguro din mahaba na yung video. So, ito po ang Evilla. So, as you can see, fully developed na po dito. Evilla Lifestyle Center is a development by Vista City. So, you have Starbucks. You have different different brands already na nag-occupy na ng mga space dito sa mall. So, you have St. Mark's Cafe, McDonald's po doon. Tapos dito po sa mall natin, meron po ditong H&M, Uniqlo, lahat. It's a fully, lapit natin. I hope you can see. Yan! Alright. Ayan po siya. At meron din pong cinema. At ang cinema po natin dito, yung movie theater po natin ay Hindi lang 3G, 4G pa po siya. So, okay na okay talaga siya. Tapos meron din po tayo dito TGI Fridays, Mesa. These are really our new restaurants which just opened in the area. Of course, yung McDonald's po, meron din po tayo ditong BDO branch. It is a total area of 15 hectares. Pati pa po dun sa kabila. So, there. So, lalabas na po ulit tayo ng Danghari. So, nag-detour lang tayo ng konti. Sa diretso po doon is still part of Evia. And doon po sa kanan, I hope you can see it. Yan, yung malaking parang cathedral po yun. Yan po ang Palazzo Verde. Also, a Vista Land development. It is an events venue. Diyan po kinasal yung mga artista. Si Carmina Villaruel at saka Zoren Legaspi. Anyway, it's very, very popular because particularly dito sa South because it is the biggest events venue, events place in the South. So ito pong kali sa harap natin is Danghari. Nag-detour lang tayo ng konti. Tapos dahil pumasok tayo ng Evia. So kakanan na po tayo dito sa Danghari. Yan. So from Evia, papunta na po tayong Carson. And we're back to Danghari. Ito na po ito na ang Bacoor area na po ang part na to. After that bridge is already Bacoor. So we're now in Bacoor but we're still along Danghari. So here we're still in Danghari. So you can just imagine, ma'am, pag galing kayo ng SLEX, tapos pumasok kayo ng MCX, bagsak nyo mismo sa Evia. At konti na lang po, ay diretso lang po, ay aabot na kayo ng Camellia Carson. In Danghari, there are also a lot of developments. We will be building a hospital and another commercial development as you enter yung spine road natin papunta sa Camellia Carson. This is another hospital that is being built in the area. Pag diniretso po nyo po to, in less than a kilometer away, we have a new development also by Vista Land. It is a Vista Mall, and andun po yung All Home. It is a store which is under Vista Land as well. We have appliances, furniture, and construction materials in All Home. So it's very, very near Camellia Carson. Actually, ganito po, kakanan na po tayo dito. Ito po ang papuntang Carson. So if you notice, sandali lang po talaga galing Evia, papunta dito sa Carson. This, we are turning right. Ayan, dito po siya. Alright, dito po tayo. Ayan, dito po sa diretso doon is, patayin ko lang po. Dito po sa diretso doon ang papuntang Carson. Resuming the video, this is the new spine road connecting Danghari to the area where Camellia Carson is. So, bago lang po siyang construction. Kaka-widen lang po ng kalye. So, that's why isa pa lang po yung lane na nadadaanan pero malapad na po siya. To your left and your right, magkakaroon po dito ng mga commercial development. Nakita niyo po ba yung yung expanse ng magiging future development for commercial in the area? Ayan, so we're now approaching Ponticelli. Ponticelli is a subdivision, a community by Crown Asia, also a Vista Land company. Meron lang po dito construction. Okay, ito na po. And this is Ponticelli Gardens, a subdivision by Crown Asia, a community by Crown Asia, also Vista Land. Ito po. Ayan, we're approaching the road leading towards Carson. And ito po sa kanan is a Camellia community. This is Camellia Cerritos Trails. So, Camellia Cerritos Trails. So, ito po sa may rotunda ang papasok papunta sa ano. As you can see, ma'am, all the communities in the area are all Vista Land, under Vista Land. So, there's Ponticelli, Portofino, and Camellia Trails. Camellia Cerritos Trails. Po tayo. Kaya pinapatay ko lang po pag may mga rotunda kasi mahirap po mag-turn. And so, dito na tayo sa main road going to Carson. Left and right, as you can see, are all Camellia subdivision. That one there, dun sa diretso po, is the Crown Asia subdivision, also by Vista Land.